What's up, hunters? If you're playing Hunting Sniper, you already know gems are everything. Upgrades, weapons, events, gone fast. Lately, I've been seeing this hack method everywhere that claims you can get gems without a PC or anything complicated. I didn't really believe it at first, so I tested it myself on my phone. In this video, I'll show you exactly what I did, step by step, and at the end we'll check the results together. Let's jump in. The first thing you'll need is your user ID. You can usually find it on your profile page or somewhere in the settings menu. It only took me a minute to locate mine. Once I found it, I copied it and saved it for later. This part is quick and pretty straightforward. After that, I opened a browser on my phone. I'm using Chrome, but any browser should work fine. I searched for the website that people kept talking about. When it loaded, there were no pop-ups or weird redirects. The page looked clean and normal, which I honestly wasn't expecting. Once I was on the site, I used the search bar to find the Hunting Sniper Gems tool. After that, I chose my device. I'm on Android, but iOS was there too. Then I entered my player ID, made sure everything looked right, and hit continue. Next, it asked how many resources I wanted to add. Since this was just a test, I chose the maximum amount. After confirming, a few progress bars showed up, going through different steps of the process. Everything was explained clearly, so it was easy to follow. Right before it finished, there was a short verification step. The instructions were simple and easy to understand. I already completed that part earlier, so let's jump straight to the results. To see if it worked, I opened the game again and checked my gems. They were already there. No restart, no waiting. It updated instantly, which honestly caught me off guard. Based on my test, everything worked just like it was explained. The steps were easy, the site worked smoothly on mobile, and the whole process was simple as long as you followed the instructions. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tests and reviews. And if you've already tried this yourself, drop a comment and let me know how it went. I read all of them. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.